Getting off the ship today in St. John's, Antigua. We've got the Regal Princess parked across from us. Of course, we're on the Adventure of the Seas by Royal Caribbean. Got the island music playing, Mom. So, we just walked through the gate. Got the two ships there. Security, some dancers, and brightly colored. Very brightly colored. Cheers, Antigua, free Wi-Fi. Lots of shopping.
What do I can carry? Taxi?
A lot of people getting drunk already. Of course it is 11:30. We were on that street. Of course the ships are right out there. Walked up, cut across, and it's more like a swap meet deal. Your t-shirt, souvenir vendors. We're moving up town. So, this is a different area. Of course, the ships are down there. Still a lot of shops. We're heading up to the big church. You might know it as St. John's Cathedral. We've been walking for like 10 minutes maybe. Hey, I think I found a cathedral. So we came up Church Street, if you can figure out where Church Street is. It ends at the church. Probably would have been quicker if we'd come up that street. We walked all the way around the church here, and then we found the open gate. We started there, went all the way around, thought it was closed, then saw people in here, and here's the gate to let you in. Came in through that entrance there, not on Church Street. Got some fresh flowers there. Steps here. And we're gonna go inside. Oh.
Good day, welcome.
Hello. Got some restoration going on.
Yes, you have just reached our Anglican Church. It was leaking and then termites. But we are 90% complete. Our roof is finished. A lot of work being done. All the material are brand new. We have 3 of these white iron to take
I made a donation to them to help them out. There's our ship. There's the Princess ship. So I guess we'll head back downhill. We're gonna walk down the hill here to Nevis Street, if we can find it. It's 4 streets down, and then make a right, and that'll be the other shopping area near the Princess, the Regal Princess. Of course, it's all downhill from here. I think there's a fence. Don't know who that is. The father of the nation. Veer Cornwall Bird Sr. So this is the public market, I guess. This must be limes, huh? Redcliffe Quay. That's how you pronounce it. I don't know. The Princess ship is right on the other side of these buildings. We're gonna walk back to our ship over here. No thanks. Oh yeah, see? And there you can see both ships. I think we're in the back of the shopping area now. So there's the Princess ship. Our ship is over that way. It'd be hard to get lost in this town because it's laid out like a grid. And I don't know if you could tell, but this is where we started this morning. There's our ship right there. We were gone about 2 hours, 3 maybe. Part of that though, we sat and drank beer.